upcoming deliberation, we will respectfully request to be excused from the meeting as it coincides with the conduct of the 2024 Directorate Conference and Fourth Quarter Executive Committee meeting of the CEC on 26 to 29 November 2024 in Baguio City. Now, Mr. Chairman, but of course, the CEC was present during the previous hearing and they have already submitted all the documents being required to them. Nandito po, voluminous, lahat ng mga cases that was filed for dismissal against and under appeal now in the CEC. Now, Mr. Chairman, before this representation, and maybe some of the members will ask questions to the resource persons, can we recognize? Isa na lang po sa inyong pwede magsalita muna para for the interest of time. Chairman, can we recognize former police Superintendent